Roaster wishes me good morning. It's actually around noon. Hello, Roaster. Searching for a nice location. I need to find a big nice open plain. Oh, this looks like a nice place. I'll set up the tent here. This is my fjällräven kayak, Nordisk Svalbard 1PU. Here we have an inner tent. An inner tent goes on the bottom. This over here is outer tent. We have another bag. These are two structural rods. And we have pins to pin the tent. This is not the usual equipment, but I highly recommend. You help yourself greatly with condensation inside the tent, so mostly it comes from the ground. If you have this and you put it underneath your tent, you'll have much less condensation.
Throw paint or just strip it down. Call bullshit, I'm blending in. 5 muses and don't compare. A true life will fill your cup. Follow what lights you up. More of what makes you smile.
During the summer, on a good weather, it's possible to sleep just in this. Of course, if you are in the shade. If you're not in the shade, I think it's going to get quite hot. This is the outer tent.
More of what makes you smile. Life is both beauty and pain. Pour the wine and live it up. Fresh air while the paint is wet. House plans are sketching out. There's new life inside of me.
Just to demonstrate how much space there is inside. My sleeping bag. Rucksack, me, and I still have a lot of space. There is a space for one extra person. Svalbard 1PU is a great tent and very spacious one.
Pour the wine and live it
Looks like this when fully packed. It's, I need to admit, it's quite bulky. How much space does Svalbard 1PU take in my 65-liter rucksack? It takes more than a third of rucksack. After an entire day of testing, it's time to say something about the tent. The best thing about this tent is its size. You can even house one extra person. Consider getting it if you like to go with your friend or with your better half on a short-term camping. It only costs less than 200 euros. Another great thing, it has 3 pocket compartments and it has 2 hooks, one on the top of the ceiling and one lower next to the legs. I would highly recommend you to get a footprint with it because it will solve a lot of problem with the condensation inside your tent. The negative side of a tent is the size when it's packed. It's quite big and bulky. If you want something more compact and you have a bigger budget, I surely recommend you to go for something else. Maybe a better thing for you to do would be to get a Fjallraven Abisko. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment and share, which I would appreciate a lot. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.